Now, students, I read page number 13 of chapter 2, How I Taught My Grandmother to Read. Children, you know that the little girl or the granddaughter used to read the novel for her grandmother, and the grandmother used to listen the novel very interestingly or with greatest concentration. But the grandmother was not able to read because she never went to the school. This much we have I have explained to you. Now, children, after hearing that what happened next in Kashi Yatra, she would join her friends at the temple courtyard where we children would also gather to play hide and seek. Children, after hearing what happened next in Kashi Yatra, you know Kashi Yatra is the name of that magazine, which a grandmother used to listen by her granddaughter. So after listening the next episode, she would join her friends. Where she joined her friends? At the temple courtyard. And she used to discuss the latest episode with her friends there. And what the children used to do, they used to play. They would gather to play hide and seek there. So they all used to enjoy there. Once I went for a wedding with my cousin to the neighborhood village. Now the girl is saying, or now the writer is saying that once the granddaughter went for a wedding with her cousin to the neighborhood village. In those days, a wedding was a great event. We children enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. So, children, because those days, like not like these days, as we are having so many fun places to go. We are having malls, we are having theater, parks, and different places. But that time, people not used to go to these fun places. Only the children used to have fun in weddings. And a wedding was a great event. We children enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. Thoroughly means completely. We would eat and play endlessly. Endlessly means continuously. They used to eat and play, savoring the freedom because all the elders were busy. Savoring means enjoying the freedom. Why they used to enjoy the freedom? Because all the elders remain busy in different customs, so children used to get time. Still also nowadays also children play and have fun in marriages. So now the next line is, I went for a couple of days but ended up staying there for a week. So the girl went there only for a few days, but she stayed there for a week. So now, because of the enjoyment, she stayed there. When I came back to my village, I saw my grandmother in tears. Children, why? Just think about that. When the writer or when the granddaughter came back to her village, she saw her grandmother in tears. She was weeping. Why the grandmother? Why that old lady was weeping? I was surprised, for I had never seen her cry even in the most difficult situations. What happened? What had happened? I was worried. When granddaughter saw her grandmother crying, she was having tears in her eyes. So she was very worried. The little girl was very worried because she had never found her grandmother crying even in the most difficult situation. So what had happened now? She was surprised. She used to call her grandmother Awa. Awa, is everything all right? Are you okay? The little girl asked her grandmother. I used to call her Awa, which means mother in Kannada. She nodded but did not reply. Nodded means she said yes